position. And therefore, any accusation of self-promotion would fall flat because I am not running for any national position in 2028. And therefore, there would be no reason for me to promote myself.
I'm sorry, ma'am, I'm not saying that you're running. Don't put words into my mouth. I'm just saying that what I'm saying is, yun po nakakalata yung mga tao na parang pinupromote yung sarili mo for whatever reason. Now also, ma'am, compared to other countries like Vietnam, Korea, Malaysia, Japan, hindi niyo po nakikita yung mukha ng mga secretaries ng Department of Tourism nila doon eh. Wala, never ka makita sa tourist materials ng kahit anong bansa na banggit ko, yung kanilang Secretary of Tourism, pinupromote yung mga mukha ng mga pictures nila. That's what the people that came to me.
Perhaps if it is the pleasure of the senator that I no longer visit our destinations or that there be no coverage of the same, we can take that into serious consideration. But as far as my understanding,
Of course, ma'am, you can visit. Why not? Yeah, I would even, people will appreciate you going there so that makita mo on the ground kung ano yung mga kulang, ano yung mga kailangang gawin, etc. But what we are saying here, ma'am, please, huwag mo i-promote yung sarili mo. Pag pumunta ka sa lugar, kung ano yung mga kulang doon, punahin mo and then punuan mo. Yun po yung point ng mga netizens na lumapit po sa akin.